So hi guys, and welcome to another episode in our Birnie family YouTube and Facebook. We are going to the Speyside Rally today, aren't we? Speyside Rally cars, but need to get McDonald's first and then we're heading up to the scrutiny run. So this is obviously Friday, the kids get their McDonald's meal at the end of the week, don't you guys? Your treats?
Last week you forgot.
Aye, we forgot.
Because we went camping.
It's because me and Dabs went camping and we forgot. But yeah, the scrutiny run is over that way, and that's where we're heading very shortly, guys. You will see Subaru Imprezas, all these rally spec cars. They're absolutely amazing.
Maybe now that you've opened that, it's now warm.
But we're still waiting. And of course, the Speyside Rally is something we'll go to every year because our friend Mike Grant is in it every year, isn't he? As well as the Snowman Rally, all part of the Scottish Rally Championship. So that's what we're going to have a wait to look up today. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! That's a Skoda, is it? They are absolutely, that is beautiful. That's, I was thinking that, is this a foreign number plate? Oh. Listen to that. Look at that number plate, guys, private number plate. Mike 24 Fun. Imagine driving to work on that thing every day. I'm sure both of them, definitely that one, but recognise them from last year, don't we? There it goes, the beautiful blue and gold Mark II. That is just lovely. Oh yeah, even in the engine bay, look. There he comes. Cadet, is that a cadet? Yeah. Look at that seagull.
I think the seagull's water.
Not worried. Like, not worried at all. He's still, oh, he's off now. He's off now. Whoa, that sounds wicked. Back door. I got it. Here we come. Oh, listen. There we go. I'm just catching the cars, eh guys? But we need to go home so I can get my supper, but Emily needs to get back up for Herbie. She needs her daily Herbie injection. If you're just watching for the first time, that is Emily's horse Herbie. Oh yeah. And back we come to the car, but we will return, won't we people? We will return. And this means now that Big Monster doesn't need to have coats on as often, eh, Ems?
Yeah. It's mainly just this one that's going on and off.
Yeah. I'm trying to get out of the sun, eh, boy? Yeah, so this is Herbie's Friday McDonald's treat. The kids get a McDonald's, like you saw earlier, and now you're getting your treat on Friday night.
Yeah, the aggressive looks.
Herbie Birnie, you guys. See, part of the family now. Aren't you? Oh yeah. That's the stuff, that's better. That's more like it. Yes. That's more like it. David knows his smart keys, like. Oh, that's pretty silly. Come on. Oh yeah, I love this. Here we go. Come on, buddy. There you go. There's Mike. Yes, Michael! Yes! Yes, that was our Michael. Now, come on. Come on. Round you come.
3 seconds off the lead, John Armstrong.
Here we go. Oh, look at the skivo. That's so nice.
Third, 3 seconds also on the lead.
Lassie. Here's the other Mike. Look, that's Mike's other car. There's Mike again. Come on, Michael. Nice. At least he tried, eh? This is a much better angle.
Ailing Forrest and John Forrest and the Mitsubishi Evo 9 takes the start.
Oh yeah, that's more like it.
Fred Sherry, Hewitt Lees and the Cinder Prince. Charles Hopkins, Alan Jones waiting for this one. Whoa! The top 10 times separated.
Elvin's only McLaren, look. Check it. I missed it while I was looking at the McLaren. There's an Opel Kadett, look, that's a classic car, that. Ooh. Oh, he's up there. Dear Lord.
Watch the stages.
That's what I like it. Yeah, there we go. I see him every year. That's it, oh yes. That's the way you do it. That's what Mike used to have, that older style Impreza. He messed that one up. That's another Subaru Impreza. That's it, oh!
There we ran for the second run through the stage.
Oh, he stalled it as well. That's the curb, buddy. Oh dear Lord. That's not how you do it.
John Brownlee and Gordon Ritchie and the Opel Kadett making their way around for the second run through.
You sure you used to have one of them? He might go for it again. No. Oh, here we go, come on. I don't like it. That's not, oh no, it's not. Here. Ooh, dude. Oh! A wee bit hot. Nice though. This time. Come on.
This car 84 launches into the stage. So, the top after stage 4, David Bogie leads the rally by 19 seconds from Finley Redson.
Heading off to the next stage. Just capturing him from a distance, like. He's just had his jacket off, so look. Aye, and a nice big scratch in the ground. Good boy. And up he gets. There he goes. What a beautiful animal you are, Herbie. Hey, you're a beautiful animal. Yes, you are. Hey, come in. That is a good boy. He's just getting there now, guys. Just slowly but surely.